Looking for great Rebecca Minkoff boots for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Rebecca Minkoff Women's Seren Boots, Black, by Rebecca Minkoff. Number 2, Rebecca Minkoff, Women's Glint-Studded Booties, Black, another great product by Rebecca Minkoff. Number 3, Sleek and ready for fall, with this Rebecca Minkoff Madysin Bootie. Premium leather uppers with studded trim. Slip-on design with elastic coring. Rounded toe silhouette. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.